8 of the best poker players in the world. That in and of itself should make this a very special event. But to make this game even more special, it features the biggest buy-in ever for No Limit Texas Hold'em.
That's right, Matt. Each player posted $400,000 to enter this tournament. But when you're playing with 7 of the top players in the world, it's not just about the money. It's about bragging rights. It's about being the best of the best.
Gus Hansen has claimed a lead from Howard Lederer, Barry Greenstein, and Phil Ivey bringing up the rear of the pack. And note Doyle Brunson, who's moved from last into the middle of the field. And perhaps the rest of the field should be on call, on alert for Doyle Brunson.
Yeah, that's right. Doyle's made a move. He's doubled up, and now he's right in the middle of the pack, and he's definitely a force to be reckoned with.
Doyle Brunson with his McLeod look in this game, that unmistakable cowboy hat. So action now on Chip Reese. Chip folds. You saw Doyle get in with the big blind. Phil and TJ both fold.
Yeah, it looks like several of the players are playing conservatively early, kind of wanting to get a feel of the other players and how they're playing today.
Howard Lederer with a pair of 5s.
He's in late position. By that we mean that he's one of the last to act each round. So, yeah, Howard's going to come in with a raise here.
Pretty good hand for late position.